Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Event Manager for the Shopware 6 platform. Now this particular brilliant plugin displays and manages your e-commerce store events in a calendar. The Shopware 6 store owners can add multiple number of events with the event date as well. On the other hand, the customers can view the event details by clicking on the scheduled date of that event within the calendar itself. Now, this is a very useful plugin to display information about upcoming events. So, all in all, this particular plugin supports latest events. You can add multiple number of events with their scheduled date. It's completely manageable via awesome calendar. Plugin can be used to create, manage, and configuring the events, and it has an interactive user interface. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of the event manager for Shopware 6 at the storefront and at the backend as well. At the front end, I'll be showing you how the users would be able to view the events within the particular interactive calendar, and how they can view the events on particular scheduled dates as well with using the calendar there. And then I'll be showing you how the admin would be able to basically create and manage the events from the admin backend panel itself. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the storefront, and at the very top we have the events option here, as you can see on the top right hand corner. So if I tap on that, that will bring up this particular calendar as well, with the particular month and the year. So the current date and date is visible here, and here you can see we have the events on the 16th of this month and the 18th of this month as well. So here if I hover my mouse, I can see click here to view events, click here to view events, and on today's date as well we have an event. So if I tap on that, I can view the Colosseum event that is there, that is being organized, and the details of the same. I can close it out as well. On the 16th as well we have a summer pool party, as you can see, and the event is for the June 16th 2022 there, and with the details of the same as well. So we have a close button as well. I can close it out as well, and here we have the event for the 18th of June, that's the sale for all, and here's the content of the particular event itself. Now let me close it out. So this was the workflow at the customers end, how the customers would be able to easily access the events that are going to happen on different dates there by tapping on the events option at the top right hand corner. That brings up this particular calendar view, and within the calendar view they can view the particular upcoming events that are going to be organized there, and tapping on any one of the events, the event details can be viewed by the customers there, as I've shown you. And for the different dates, I can tap on any one of those and can view the particular event for that particular day and the details of the same being displayed there. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel, and let me show you how these events can be managed from the admin backend panel. For that, I'll take you to the Shopware 6 admin backend panel, and I'll be entering the username, password, and tapping on the login button thereafter. After the successful installation of this particular plugin, what you need to do is you need to navigate to settings and then extensions, and here we have the event manager. So here you can see that we have the summer pool party, Colosseum event, sale for all, and test event. Now to create a new event, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the create new event button, and that will bring up this particular section wherein you will be able to set up the name of the event, the description, the event date, and you can make it active or inactive. For example, let me set the name of the event as test event new. Description, let me copy this and let me paste this up. We can also add images to it as well as per our own requirement there. And let me choose the date here as 9th of this month. I'll make it as active, and let me save it up. So here you can see that the test event new has been saved with the description there. The event date is on the 9th of this month and the status is enabled. Now if I go ahead and I refresh the page here, you can see the event is visible here on the 9th. If I tap on that, event for the June 9th, test event, and the description for the same is also visible to the customers. So this calendar can be accessed by the customers very easily by tapping on the events option at the top right hand corner, and that will bring up this particular one in front of the customers there. So that's how this particular plugin displays and manages your e-commerce store events in a calendar, and the Shopware 6 store owner can add multiple number of events with the event date and can enable the events to be displayed within a calendar to the customers there, and the customers can view the event details by clicking on the schedule date of that event within the calendar itself. And that's how this particular plugin is also useful to display the information about the upcoming events there. So yes, that was much about the event manager for the Shopware 6 platform, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.ubdesk.com as well. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.